Welcome innovators and architects of tomorrow. Today, we're bridging the gap between the digital and the physical, spotlighting the symbiotic relationship between site reliability engineers and urban planners. Both are masterminds, constructing seamless experiences in our digital landscapes and physical cities. Dive with us into a journey where the digital world meets urban development. In the digital realm, SREs are not merely operators. Now picture this. You're walking through a city designed and maintained by urban planners to ensure its livability and efficiency. Every park, every road, every building is meticulously laid out and accounted for. Now, imagine that city is the internet and the urban planners are site reliability engineers. They're the masterminds behind the digital infrastructure, ensuring that our online experiences are as seamless as a well-planned city. From the smallest app to the largest social network, SREs are at the helm, steering us through the digital landscape. They are the architects and engineers ensuring our online experiences are seamless and robust. Let's delve deeper into the vision of Ben Traynor Sloss. As the pioneering architect of site reliability engineering, Sloss envisioned a world where software engineering and IT operations could coalesce, crafting a harmonious blend of these two disciplines. He saw the potential for software engineers to become the architects of digital reliability, creating systems that not only function optimally, but also recover swiftly from any disruptions. His philosophy has revolutionized the way we approach digital infrastructure, leading to the birth of a new field, site reliability engineering. He's the mastermind behind blending software engineering with IT operations for optimal reliability. Just as urban planners strategically design our cities, they make pivotal decisions that shape our community well-being and sustainability. They consider every element, from the green spaces that provide us with fresh air to the public transport systems that keep us connected and the sustainable buildings that house our dreams. Now imagine the digital realm as a sprawling city. Here, site reliability engineers or SREs play a similar role. They are the architects of this digital city, crafting it meticulously. They ensure its resilience, its user-friendliness, and its ability to adapt and grow. In this digital age, SREs construct digital environments that are resilient and user-friendly. From developing automated solutions to reduce toil, the roles of site reliability engineers or SREs are as diverse as they are essential. They are the unseen forces that keep our digital world running smoothly, much like the structural engineers who ensure the stability of our city's skyscrapers. These digital architects employ rigorous incident response protocols, ready to spring into action when systems falter. They're also the proactive guardians of system health, constantly monitoring and refining the digital infrastructure for optimal performance. In essence, SREs ensure digital platforms stand tall, akin to the skyscrapers in our cities. Imagine SREs as the traffic engineers of the internet. They keep the data highways clear, ensuring that information travels swiftly and efficiently from point A to B. Just as urban planners analyze vehicular traffic patterns to design better roads and intersections, SREs monitor digital traffic flow to enhance network infrastructure. They observe, they learn, they adapt. They are the silent guardians of the internet, the unsung heroes who work tirelessly behind the scenes to prevent data gridlocks and digital pile-ups. They are the architects of our online experiences, optimizing the flow of data like urban planners optimize city traffic, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted journeys for all. Let's hear from those who've experienced the impact of site reliability engineers and urban planners. As we navigate the digital and physical landscapes of our daily lives, we often overlook the intricate design and careful planning that goes into making our experiences seamless and efficient. From ensuring our digital platforms are robust and reliable to designing cities that are livable and sustainable, these architects of the modern world play a crucial role. They are the unseen heroes, crafting our experiences from behind the scenes. Their work shapes our digital and physical world, making our lives smoother and more efficient.